The global parameters in the Dana Pro Web UI header provide access to essential system settings. The master mute button silences all outputs across all amplifiers. The standby button places all amplifiers into energy-saving mode, requiring a few seconds for the system to wake up when reactivated. The monitoring section displays key performance metrics, such as internal temperature, fan speed, and RAM battery status for each amplifier. The Config section hosts a variety of system settings. In the Rack Settings tab, you can switch amplifiers between master and slave modes and assign slave amplifiers to a master. The Start Parameters tab lets you select which routing, delay, and user EQ presets will be recalled during system startup. The Cooling System tab manages fan behavior, offering 3 settings: silent, balanced, and conservative boosted cooling, to suit your system's needs. In the LAN Settings tab, you can configure the network parameters for each amplifier. Keep in mind that this setting is independent for each device, requiring you to connect directly to each slave amplifier's IP address for adjustments. The User and Password tab enables customization of Web UI login credentials. The Backup and Restore tab facilitates system management by allowing you to create a backup of all system settings, restore settings from a backup, or perform a factory reset. The Firmware Update tab is used to upgrade the amplifier firmware. To ensure stability, always connect directly via a PC to amplifier network connection. Firmware updates should never be performed over Wi-Fi or VPN.